Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. First things first, I know I sound very nasally. That's because I'm just now trying to get over this cold virus that's been going around. So excuse my nasally voice, but so I'm here today, right? As you can see, my hair is short yet again. I think this is going to be the very last time I cut my hair in terms of like this style. I think I've made the decision to let it grow. But this video is in reference to the video that I did on straightening my hair for the first time. Kids, don't try this at home. This video is a follow-up to that. So here's what happened. I don't know if you watched that video, but if you did not, I will link the cards for you to watch that video. I would suggest that you pause this video, click the link right now, watch the straightening my hair video first, and then come back to this video. But this video is the follow-up to that. So I decided that I wanted to add more hair content for my YouTube channel. You know, I've been trying to keep it consistent, trying to, you know, just add more content, do more hair, natural hair, and makeup, and it's been going really well. So I decided that I wanted to be fresh, and I wanted to straighten my hair myself. You know, I always get my hair straightened by my stylist, Debbie. Everyone, if you watch any of my straightening hair videos, you know who Debbie is. Debbie does my hair. And so I decided I wanted to straighten my hair myself. You know, I got my little shortcut. I was feeling myself. I wanted to, you know, just straighten the middle and see how it would come out. So me being a non-cosmetologist, I decided to go and straighten my hair, and it came out really, really cute. I straightened it, you know, people couldn't even believe that it was my hair. Everybody thought it was a weave because of my shrinkage. But when I straightened it, it was really long. And I put the spiral rods in it at the end, and you know, just had it curl. So I had my, you know, my taper cut on the sides and in the back, and then I had my straight in the middle, honey. I was popping. Okay, so I wore my hair straight for like a week, and I was like, okay, because my hair is thin, so my hair doesn't look thin when my hair is in its natural state. But with it straight, I was like, dang, like my hair is really thin, and I was going through a lot of shedding and stuff like that. So I was like, man, I'm ready for my curls to be back, because like, you know, after a while it wasn't holding any of the curls or whatever. So I was like, okay, let me wash my hair. Honey, I went and washed my hair. Not washing, like, if you've ever had your hair straightened, you know, like, you wash in the shower and eventually you feel your hair start to curl up. I'm washing. And my bloody hair is still straight. And I'm like, what the frig is going on? So I wash out the shampoo, washing again. Like, on the second wash, my hair is still freaking straight. And I was like, what the heck is going on? So then after a while, my hair, you know, is starting to come back curly, but it's not tight like this, you know. And I'm like, okay, what the hell is going on? And so like the front of my hair, like the curls were like very, 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 very loose. And I'm watching, and there's a patch of freaking hair right here. And you can probably still see that I have some straight ends, like right here. There's a whole, like when I say a whole patch, a whole bloody patch of straight hair. And I'm like, oh Jesus, help me Lord. What the heck is going on? So I'm washing. I washed my hair like 5 times. Hair will not turn back. I put conditioner in it, like, you know, thinking that it's going, nothing. So I get out the shower, the rest of my hair curled back. There's a big chunk of hair right here that's bone straight. When I tell you bone straight, the bloody thing was bone straight. And I was like ready to panic, like what the frig did I just do? So the next morning, I wash again. I had to take the patch of hair, twist it, and pin it in the rest of my curls, because it was just a mess. So I was like, okay, let me try the AFOG treatment. You know, I got heat damage, da 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 da. Did that, hair straight. And I was like, oh my God. So of course I had to call Debbie. I had a freaking hair emergency, like, Debbie, and then jack up my hair. I need to come to you so you can basically you gotta cut my hair again. So this was the third time I had to cut my hair, like in terms of the sides and the back, because the back I was keeping shaped up, but the sides I was letting grow out. And I cut it in June, cut the sides in June, and now I had to cut everything down again. So this time I had to let her round it out because I just didn't want like a dude's cut, because that's what I had the first time, when the barber just goes up like this. And it, like, if you would straighten the hair, it's very uneven, so I needed a proper scissor cut. And I had to go to Debbie. Thank God for Debbie. We had to shave. We had to shave all of my hair down. And she tried. Debbie washed my hair like Debbie washed my hair like 4 to 5 good times to try to get it to come back. And as you can see, there's still some straight ends. Like, I still try to snip them, but I'm testing out a new hair formula. So there you can see, and my hair is really soft. So yeah, it was a hot mess. So kids, don't try this at home. Debbie said when your hair straightens and it does not curl back, that is not heat damaged, okay? Your hair is just, what does she call it? Heat processed. Damage is something completely different. Damage is when the hair rots off or breaks off. That's what you call, in the world of cosmetology, heat damage. So my hair was just heat processed. So what really happened was, I decided that because my hair was natural, I would turn the bloody hot iron on 410 freaking degrees and pass the iron through my hair like 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times to the root. The thing was straight to the bloody root. That's how bad it was. So Debbie had to cut it. Like, she really tried to save it. She really tried to save my hair, but she did a really nice cut. I got a lot of compliments, but now it's in this mushroom stage because we had to shave the sides down and try to preserve as much as the top as we could have. So now it's in this weird freaking mushroom stage that I freaking hate. Like, yeah, that's my plea. So this is a video. This video is so you guys can see how the heck I jacked up my hair. And so I will also link the video at the end on how I straighten my hair if you guys want to see that. All right.
I remember when Keisha had this years ago. Now she had a whole lot of hair on her head. Okay? And then when she about to want to cut it, I'm like, I ain't cutting it.
You gotta take this side down a little bit more.
You want it go down a little bit?
Well, this side lower than this.
It's the same thing, girl.
No, it's not, Debbie.
It's
Look
the
at this.
same
This
thing.
got more hair here, and look at this one, clean.
Girl.
Look at that.
No, girl.
Look.
It's the same
No,
thing.
no, no. You're gonna make up without hair jack up.
Oh
You
my
see
God,
this?
it's the same
Look.
thing.
You see it's low. This side have more
It's the
hair.
same thing.
Clean that up.
It's the same
No, it's
thing.
not.
You can edit, right?
Yeah.
If you're trying to create curls,
This is
don't
lovely also.
mess with your curl pattern. What happened? Oh, battery?
Oh, man, that's okay.
Don't mess with your curl pattern by putting your heat temperature to 450 degrees and create this.
Hot mess.
Okay? And when you have a braid hair like this, which it's what, 4C, you don't put heat on it because this is what happened. And then when you're trying to make it curly, that's what happens. It won't spring, it won't get curled. And Lachelle, and if everybody knows Lachelle is coming from a long way, from long to short to curly, and now in between short and straight. So we have to cut off all this now because it won't curl back, and I tried. So she has to have a do-over, basically. So if you're trying to do this, please don't put heat on your hair.
Been about time that we're going away. Been about time, it's a whole nother day. Put the heat on to the Tetons with the neon you can lean on. Never get beat on, hey. But you don't even listen, huh? But you're not even wishing, huh? You just keep on fishing, huh? Wonder where we go, we don't even know, huh? You hit me like a megaton. You hit me like a megaton. You hit me like a megaton. Watch it on a jumbotron. Hit me like a megaton. Watch it on a jumbotron. Hit me like a megaton. You're never gonna get that change, never gonna get that cane, never gonna get that brain, always gonna be that hang, man, hang. And you just need to listen. You hit me like a megaton. You hit me like a megaton. You hit me like a megaton. Watch it on a jumbotron. Hit me like a megaton. Watch it on a jumbotron. Hit me like a megaton.
I feel like I'm up back at the party. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And remember, go to a professional to get your bloody hair done, okay? Don't be like me. Don't jack your hair up because I was embarrassed and my coworkers were making fun of me. But it was a good thing because I actually went and got some full locks done, and the full locks were amazing, and it was the most compliments I've ever gotten on a hairstyle before ever, so that was kind of a good thing. However, I am ready for my hair to grow back. It is in this weird mushroom stage, and yeah, kids, never attempt to straighten your hair at home if you don't know what you're doing. Definitely keep the heat low. That's the best advice I can give you, is go to a professional. Just don't be like me. Alright guys, so until I see you guys again, have a good one. Bye.